Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be an unboxing and review of the brand new mintMONGOOSE collection for June. I'm super excited and I have reviewed the mintMONGOOSE collection from May in a previous video, and I will have that as a card on the top right hand corner of your screen so you can check that out if you would like. But I'm really excited to be sharing mintMONGOOSE with you, and I really love it. It is a jewelry subscription service run by a mother of two from California, and I really love the brand's message and I think it's really fun. So if you'd like to see the jewelry for this month as well as a nail art tutorial to go with it, then just keep on watching. Before we get started, I do have some Starbucks today, so I will be kind of hyped on caffeine. And also, I'm vlogging today for the first time, and I have a brand new vlog channel. So if you would like to check out my vlog channel, again, click the card on the top right hand corner of your screen, and the link will be in the description box. I'm really excited to start this channel, so if you want to see a more personal side of my life, then definitely check out my vlog channel. I'm super excited about it. So let's get into the video, and first things first, I'm going to be very honest with you. This actually really isn't an unboxing. It's gonna be a fake unboxing because I told myself, I knew this package was coming, and I told myself that I was going to film an unboxing video, but I knew I probably wouldn't be able to do it for a couple of days because of just the way my schedule was working out and everything like that. I just knew I wasn't gonna be able to film this video for a few days. I didn't know how I thought I was going to be patient enough to not open the package, but I literally saw the mailman deliver it to my house. I ran out to the mailbox and I had the package half opened by the time I got to my house. So that didn't happen, but I am going to show you, like I said, kind of a fake unboxing. I'm going to show you how the package comes and everything like that, and then I'll show you the jewelry. And then I just thought this jewelry had a beautiful design and I wanted to kind of recreate it on my nails, so I think it's really fun to just kind of be able to find inspiration for nail art that way. So let's get into the actual unboxing. So for starters, I knew that the mailman had delivered my package because each package comes in this beautiful turquoisey envelope, and this is one of my favorite colors, and it's so pretty because it's metallic, and it does come, I'm going to try to hide my address here, it comes with a little thank you sticker. So super cute, and I love the packaging because I feel like as a brand, I mean obviously I don't own a business, but I just feel like every brand should kind of have a certain packaging system, because when you open a package it should really be an experience. If you open a package from Ulta or even Amazon, you open it up, you know what's in there, you're excited because you bought it, but that's it. With smaller businesses, especially with mintMONGOOSE, opening up their packages really is an experience, and it's like you're getting a present every month. So when you open your little envelope, it does come with a Werther's caramel candy, but basically the second I opened the package, I already enjoyed it, so you will get a Werther's candy. And then it also comes in this beautiful envelope, and it has a wax seal, and it is their little mintMONGOOSE logo. So super cute, and I just feel like it is such an experience to open this package up. So that's how it comes, and then your jewelry is going to be inside the envelope wrapped in some plastic packaging. You also get in the package a little postcard, and it just kind of describes the collection and the inspiration behind it all. And again, if you checked out my video talking about the May box, you'll know that it was Lilies of the Valley, and there was an explanation behind that collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the inspiration behind this collection, and I'll try to insert a picture of the little postcard here too, so you can read along with me and see the kind of up close part of it. So the inspiration for this collection was that summer is upon us, and with the summer solstice right around the bend, which already happened a few days ago, she wanted to celebrate the beginning of this warm and toasty chapter with this month's design. So cheers to us awesome humans making some great memories this summer, and I'm certainly going to try to make great memories this summer even though there's not a whole lot to do. Anyway, the set inspiration is because she wanted the necklace in this set to be a long piece, perfect for sporting in your summer adventures, whether that means going to the beach, soaking up the sun in your backyard, or nighttime s'mores making sessions around the fire pit, which are all things I've basically already done this summer, so I guess I am making memories, and that's also why I started a vlog channel, so you can kind of see my little adventures. So this piece is bold, but a tribute to one of the biggest reasons we are all able to enjoy the summer, the sun. Since the summer solstice marks the onset of summer and the longest day of the year, I wanted to incorporate that length into the piece, which I love. I think that is so cool. She also wanted to incorporate the hexagon shape, known to be the strongest geometric shape there is. I did not know that. Since we could all use a reminder of our strength now and then. As the idea of length and the shape of a hexagon came together, it paved the way for inclusion of a crowd favorite, the chevron, and thus the set took shape. So I'm really excited to show you these pieces. I think they're so beautiful, and Helena, the founder, is so sweet. I've really only interacted with her over email, but I can just already tell that she's a really sweet human being, so I really recommend supporting her business. So if you want to check out mintMONGOOSE, like I said, it is a jewelry subscription service. You can check out the link in the description box, and you can use my code Elizabeth for 50% off your first order. So you can order now and you will get this June set shipped to you within a few days, I think within 48 hours. But then if you would like to have a recurring subscription, once you sign up, you will have your set shipped to you on the 15th of every month. So I think I've talked enough. Let's show you the jewelry because I want to put it on for the rest of this video. So the main piece mentioned in the postcard was the necklace, so let's show that to you now. And it is a longer chain, and there are several adjustments. You can adjust how long it is on your neck. And then I'll show it to you more up close so you can see. So you can see that hexagon shape right in the center, and then this gorgeous gem, and then the chevron pattern right here. So I actually have an addiction to long necklaces. I don't know if any of you remember Charming Charlie, the store, but we had one not too far away from here, about an hour away, and it was actually in the same town that my college was in. So every time I went to the mall, I went to Charming Charlie's, and I just had an addiction to long necklaces. I have one in every color, every design, just everything you could imagine. I have so many long necklaces because I love them so much, and typically I just usually wear just plain shirts like this on an everyday basis, but I love dressing them up with necklaces, especially long necklaces. So I am so excited about this one because they are my favorite of all time to wear. So let's get it on. The next piece I want to show you is this shorter necklace that is also a hexagon shape. So it is just really beautiful, and it's a shorter necklace, and it goes really, really well with the longer necklace because it just kind of goes together with that hexagon shape, and I think they look so perfect together. And again, this has several adjustments so you can kind of decide how long or short you want it on your neck. And then the last piece are these really fun earrings, again tying in that hexagon shape and the chevron so it matches that necklace. And I love a good jewelry set that just goes together. These earrings are so cute. I mean, just like how fun these earrings are. I love dangly earrings, and I love that this set just goes together so well. Also, with your subscription, you're able to kind of customize it, so you can pick either silver, gold, or rose gold, and then you can also opt in or out of earrings because not everyone has their ears pierced, or maybe you just don't want earrings that month. So you can select if you want earrings or not, and then you will get another piece, so maybe a bracelet or another necklace, a ring, something like that. So that is this month's set for June, and I really, really love it. I think it's so pretty, and I wish I had places to go because I want to show off this jewelry. And Helena, you did an amazing job with this set, and I am going to attempt to do a nail art tutorial kind of using this chevron as a kind of starter for the nail art, and I'm also going to try to incorporate this green color. So if you want to stick around for the nail art tutorial, let's get right into it. After many trials and tribulations of trying to find a green color that really went well with this look, I decided that it was going to be a negative space look. So I started off this design by applying a thin layer of just a sheer nail polish to color correct my nail. Then I just took the brush of a really metallic silver polish and made the chevron pattern just using the brush. And then I'm taking a small nail art brush and outlining that chevron to make it look a little bit cleaner. And then I'm taking that same brush and outlining my cuticle area to kind of give the illusion of that hexagon shape of the jewelry. If you'd like to see additional images of this design with the jewelry, you can check out my Instagram as well as my blog, and all the links will be below. And here's the finished design. The way that this silver polish was formulated would actually be ruined if you put top coat on, I guess something with the finish. So I'm going to leave them like this so you can really see that beautiful silver metallic shine. So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Again, check out mintMONGOOSE. I will have all the links below, and don't forget to use my code Elizabeth for 50% off. Be sure to let me know what you think of this video in the comments, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I am really close to 10,000 subscribers, and that would be amazing if we could hit it before the end of the summer, because I don't know, that's just been a goal of mine for a really long time. Also subscribe to my vlog channel if you want to, so you can kind of just see a more personal side of my life, and I think it's going to be really fun. I'm excited to start posting vlogs over there, so thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out mintMONGOOSE. Helena is amazing. Thank you for sending this jewelry over to me to be able to share with you guys, because I really love it and I think it's so pretty. So that is it for this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.